Yo, so once upon a time, there were two most gorgeous, most amazing voices, females, come together to form a beautiful bond, right? When it comes on to singing, they top the charts. When it comes on to performance, they top the chart, right? No, they've made it to the semifinals, bro. That's crazy. Yo, I'm excited, but I'm late. Like, I'm a day late. I'm so sorry. It's been so much, right? I have to react to so much of these Eurovision songs to keep up to date with you guys. But nevertheless, it's never too late for a show of rain, right? So guys, we'll be reacting to alyona, and Jerry Heil, Teresa and Maria, right? It's not my first time reacting to these beautiful females, right? I always give my 2 cents on them. So this is my next big chance, right? And congratulations to you guys to make it to the semi-finals. I'll see you guys in the finals because based on what I'm observing right now, you guys are doing great. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. And is anyone who's watching this reaction know this man here, Bob Marley? Please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to have a elaboration with you guys there. And another question, do any one of you guys know Usain Bolt, the fastest man in Jamaica and also the world? Please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to be there with y'all. So people, without further ado, let's dive in. Peace. Oh wow! Okay, that note is phenomenal. Guys, these two women never fails. They never seems to disappoint in any shape and form, bro. Buka. Yo, sweet music. Yo, their music is so sweet. Oh my. Check the sugar levels. There must be diabetes in this place, bro. Buka. Yo, that gives me chills. Oh my god, bro. Oh, the dress she's wearing now, her hair. Oh my god, they're amazing. Yo, boop. Oh, she's killing it. Oh my god, yo, she's killing it, bro. What outstanding performance we're looking at right now. Buka. Yo. Ain't no freaking way, bro. Oh my god. Yo, that was shocking. The note pulling, that was shocking. Yo, oh my god, bro. Oh my god. What incredible female. Oh, Ashtalamahuma. Yo, this is amazingly beautiful, bro. What superstar performance! She nailed it! She's killing it! Oh my! What sincere feeling! Oh my god, bro! Yo! was so smooth. Yo, I love this female so much. Her performance, bro. Yo, she can sing really well, guys. She can sing really well. Oh my. Yo, these Ukraine singers, bro, they are masters at singing. They are masters at rapping. They are masters at combining voices together to formulate an harmonious moment. They are masters at that as well. Oh man! Oh well! Pull it! Pull it! Pull it! Pull it! Pull it! Pull it! Buka! 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 Spray! Damn! This is freaking awesome! She's riding the rhythm as if she's on a bike, as if she's on a taxi. She's killing it. She's killing it. Buka, buka, buka. Her voices, their voices are so heavenly. This scenery is so heavenly. Boo boo. Mama Teresa, Diva Maria, all the divas were born as a human being. Mama Teresa, Diva Maria. They are making it looking so easy. Wow, they built for this. They are built for this. And no one can come tell me that these females never built for doing music. You be capping. Niggas be capping. Trust me on that. Boo, boo, boo. Guys, their vocals, their pitches in that voice, their voice is so cute, as if they are literally a siren. Man, I'm wondering if they are an ambulance or a police, because this siren sounding voice, it's captivating. It's making you guys scared away. Boop, boop. This is one of the most beautiful performances I've seen in this entire Eurovision 2024. No cap. This is something. This is really something. No one can tell me that this is not something. This is ambiguously amazing. This was superb. Damn. Congratulations, Ukraine. You guys did it again. Once more, it was a successful performance. You guys did it again. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did and truly enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video. Subscribe for the finals. I'll be happy to assist you guys with another reaction when the time comes. I'll see you guys there. Peace. Oh, she's good. They are really good.